Welcome to day 10 of The Power of Growth, your 30-day mindset makeover. Can you believe we're already a third of the way through this journey? You've been showing up, taking on these challenges, and working on building a growth mindset, and that's something to be proud of. Today's challenge is all about creating space for growth, literally and figuratively. Here it is. Choose one area of your life and clear out the clutter. It could be your locker, your gym bag, your desk, your closet, or even your study area. The goal is to pick a specific spot and focus on tidying it up. Now let's talk about why this matters. Physical clutter has a way of creating mental clutter. When your space is messy, it's harder to focus, think clearly, or feel motivated. But when you take the time to organize and simplify, it's like hitting a reset button for your mindset. Here's how to approach this challenge. Number 1, choose your spot. Pick one area that could use a little love. It doesn't have to be huge or overwhelming. Start small if that feels easier. Maybe it's the pile of papers on your desk, the gear spilling out of your gym bag, or the corner of your room where things tend to pile up. Number 2, set aside some time. You don't need hours to do this. 10 to 15 minutes can make a big difference. The key is to focus fully on this task for that time. Number 3, clear and organize. As you work through your chosen space, think about what you really need and what you can let go of. Maybe there's an old water bottle in your gym bag you don't use anymore, or papers on your desk you no longer need. Toss what's unnecessary and organize what's left in a way that feels clean and functional. As you work through the clutter, pay attention to how you feel. Are you starting to feel more focused? Less stressed? Notice the little shifts in your mindset as you create order in your space. And here's the best part. By the end of the task, you'll likely feel a sense of accomplishment and clarity. That's because even small acts of tidying up can have a big impact on your mental state. This challenge is also a great time to pause and reflect. You're 10 days into this journey. How are you feeling so far? Have you noticed any changes in the way you think or approach challenges? Maybe you're feeling more motivated, more intentional, or just more aware of your mindset. Progress happens one step at a time, and every small win matters. Clearing out a cluttered space is just one of those small wins that adds up over time. Here's your action step for today. Choose one area of your life to declutter and spend some focused time tidying it up. When you're done, take a moment to reflect on how it made you feel, both physically and mentally. And as always, I'd love to hear about your experience. Share in the comments. What space did you choose to declutter, and how did it feel once you were done? Let's celebrate these small wins together and keep building on them. Let's keep building momentum and growing together, one day at a time. You've got this. Go crush your day, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Your support helps this community grow, and together we can empower each other to thrive. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming days in this 30-day Mindset Makeover series.